What's up, seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm here to show you this wig that I got from Wiggins hair. Of course, these are all the things that I got in the packaging, but without further ado, let's get on into this install.
Good morning! Today we have yet again a wig video, but birthday edition. So this is gonna be my little birthday wig. Today is Republic Beach Day. Watch my vlog to see all of that shenanigans. Might put it up before this one or maybe after, but just stay tuned to see how, it comes into full effect. But for now, we're just gonna do this quick install. So I got this wig from Wiggins hair, and it's a 5x5 pre-cut, pre-plucked curly wig. Of course, I'll put all the correct information or all the specific details on the screen and also in the description box, as well as the direct link to this hair. Here's the beautiful hair right here. It's 24 inches. It feels really, it's not overly thick. I don't like overly thick hair. I don't like big hair. So this is just the perfect density for me. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. You see this lace? Yeah. And I'm not going to bleach the knots. All I'm going to do is put some foundation on the lace and literally plop it onto my head. I'm going to use a wax stick and my hot comb to make sure the top is as flat as possible. I'm also going to be wearing it in this middle part. I'm going to use some concealer or foundation to define the part. I might pluck the front just a little bit more because I don't want the hairs to start exactly where the lace is cut. They cut the lace pretty well. It's a very jagged cut, which I like. One of my last, you see? Yeah, one of the last wigs that I got, it was too defined and it was very obvious to me, so I love it. We're gonna put some foundation on the inside and then put it on my head, and let's see what needs to be corrected, if anything.
Alright, so this wig was very easy to put on. I just used my powder foundation, which is the Fit Me in the shade 332. And guys, I've never had HD caps before, but this is such a game changer. But it tight bad. It's really tight, but it really did the job. This hair, if you want, you could wear it straight out of the packaging. Just, spray some water in it or whatever, and you can literally go. But I decided to do some tweaking, so that very first line of hair in the front, I plucked it out because I felt like it was too dense right there. So I just plucked it out. I didn't pluck anything more. I feel like I could have done a little bit more, but I don't want it to be bald too quick, so I just let it do what it do. So all I just did was put some wax stick on the top and prepared it to hot comb it. I kind of just decided that I didn't want to do this on my head anymore, so I decided to put it on my wig head. So yeah, make the wig head take all the burn. My scalp don't need none of that, especially because the wig cap is so thin. I would feel everything. Y'all know I'm bald headed, so that front part that you try to get flat and then you try to comb the top part over it. You understand what I say? Anyways, that's what I'm doing. I feel like I could have gotten this wig a little flatter, but I was in a rush. Either way, it turned out absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy that I didn't bother to go through the trouble of bleaching the knots. I feel like it would look a lot more natural if you did, but it looked natural enough to me, and from me, so that say good. I don't like putting concealer on the part. I put foundation on the part. I feel like when I put concealer, it looks way too light, and I hate seeing that cast when people have on wigs. Like, girl, that's not the right shade. It's not. Anywho, after I finished doing that, I just plop that bad boy on my head, and that's pretty much it. I didn't use any Ebin spray, no type of adhesive whatsoever. There's also a band in the back, so I just tied that really tight. Well, not tied, but I pulled it really tightly so it sat on my head. Just put some water in it because I know that it's gonna fluff up by the time I got to where I was going. I liked the wet look, but I liked it when it was in its natural state more. It wasn't too big, but volume. I think that this is my new favorite wig, and it's also my new favorite type of hair. Like, I've never had a loose wave wig before, but this is eating. It's not too curly, and it's not too loose. Oh my god, I love it. That was minimal shedding, and I decided that I didn't want to go with any baby hairs. I just don't know why, but I just decided I didn't want to. So I just went in with some mousse after to set those curls in place since I'm gonna disturb the curls with water. I don't know if that's really a thing, but I did it anyway. And that's pretty much all I did to this hair. I didn't have to do anything at all. I didn't even need to use a brush. I just used my fingers. So as me I say, you know, when you push that little front part to make it look flat and then push the hair over it, that's what I was trying to do here. But I didn't want to spray any spray on it to make it all stiff. So anything I get, I just did my take. But yeah, I really love this hair from Wiggins hair. Again, all the details will be in the description box below, so you can go order it. And yeah, thank you to Wiggins hair for sponsoring your girl's video. That is it. That is all. And it also held up really nicely. As I said, it really looked nice wet. Look at me. Look at me. This was when it dried, oh. That's the same day, oh. Oh my god. And then look at this. This is it when I got a little bit wet. The ear still look good. This is the next day when it dried again. Still look good. And I didn't even wash it after it went through so much stress at Wet n Wild. Like, oh, come on. Come on now. Chelsea, come on now. You need this wig in your life. Okay, if you don't get nothing else from me, or if I don't influence you to buy anything else in life, buy this wig. That's it. That's all. I'm done. Have a good day. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And if you're interested in seeing more hair videos, please drop that in the comments below. Bye. Mwah.